Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get to Brainfuse, which is a database available for free from the Baltimore County Public Library. What's great about this is it can help you in many aspects of school. There's live tutoring, there's flashcards and quizzes, there's send in a question, there's a writing lab, and there's a language lab to help you with your Spanish class. So the first thing you need to do is use your BCPS username and password to log into BCPS 1. Once you've done that, you want to click on digital content, and then you want to click on the Baltimore County Public Library up here in the upper left-hand side. Once you get there, you're going to actually need to log into the public library as well. So you'll click on account and then log in now. Your barcode is your BCPS student ID, which usually starts with 2 or 3 9s, and then your password is 4 zeros. And you're going to log in, and you'll see your name up there underneath. Next, you'll click on Books and More, and then click on Research Databases. From here, you're just going to scroll down until you see Brainfuse and click on that. So you see it's in 3 separate things: expert help, study, and collaborate. You're probably going to use expert help the most. So first there's live tutoring. When you click on that, you want to click a grade and then a subject you need help with, and you can get live help. If you see here, if you would prefer a Spanish speaking tutor, you just click this button. Once you click on Get Live Help, a whiteboard will open up, and I'm actually going to close out because I don't need help right now. Writing Lab. In the Writing Lab, if you haven't been on Baltimore County Public Library's Brainfuse before, you're going to have to create an account. And what I suggest you do to create your account is to use that same login you needed to get to the Baltimore County Public Library. So your student ID number and the zeros. So you'll need to log in, and when you get to the Writing Lab, you can go ahead and upload a file, send any comments like, could you please look and see if I punctuate it properly. You submit it, and you will get a result in usually 1 to 2 business days. Skill Surfer, in here, you can click on different lessons that you want help with. Maybe you need a little help with your 8th grade science. So you can just click on that, and it'll show you different lessons, prep packs, and sometimes there are flashcards in here as well. Send a question. What's helpful for this is if you are not available during live tutoring times, you can send a question and get a response usually within 1 business day. The Language Lab you will find could be really helpful with Spanish. There's live help available. There's also vocab and skill builders, and this is available in a couple different languages. So if you're interested in learning another language on your own, or if you want a little practice in Spanish class, you can go to the Spanish, and you'll see here you have a chance to click on different flashcards, multiple choice, and tests. There's also just a regular study. Leap, you're probably not going to really use much because that's more for high school students. Study Flashbulb is nice because in Flashbulb you can see flashcards on different subjects that you might need some help with, or you just want to do a little practicing. So here we have some social studies, and you can see it's broken up into different times in history. Then, we also have EParachute, which is kind of interesting because it helps you match your skills up with what you should be in college, or maybe what a future career would be for you. And lastly is the Collaborate, which you probably won't use too much. except for the brainwave. What I liked about the brainwave is it sets up like a whiteboard, and you can do an activity or practice maybe a math equation. You can record yourself using the whiteboard and typing different things in, and it records it, and you could always save that and share it with a teacher. If you have any questions about using Brainfuse, please ask Ms. Farrell for help.